How to get frame on TikTok profile picture. So if you want to get frame on TikTok profile picture, then the first thing you need to do is you need to update your application, because it is only available on updated versions, or in some countries or in some regions only. So first open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search, and make sure to update the TikTok application. So if you've not updated your TikTok, then you will have an update option instead of this open option, so that you can update your TikTok. Once you've updated, you need to tap on open and open up your TikTok application. So once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the search, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the search, you need to go with the option, or you just need to go with the search, and under your search you need to search for Taylor Swift. Once you've searched, you need to open up the Taylor Swift account, and once you open here under the Taylor Swift account, or on her profile, you will have the frame, right? So you just need to simply tap on her profile. Once you tap on her profile, here you will have an option of get frame. So if you want to get the frame, simply tap on get frame, in which you would like to receive the frame, and then tap on agree and continue, tap on next. Now you just need to simply go with unlock the bead, and you need to simply do all of these tasks. So you need to share this page and check out the tour video, and then add to a music app, and you need to create a post. So post a video for who you would choose to give the 22 hat to, and once you've done all of these, then you will receive or get the frame on your TikTok profile picture. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.